Hello, hello, hello. It's me again, Danita, over here in sunny Central Florida. It is April 11th, a Monday. We are in a severe drought, but the garden, look, is getting its lushness back. It's beautiful. My black beans are growing like mad. I've even got sunflowers popping up everywhere. I threw a pumpkin in here in the middle of winter just to see what would happen, and it's growing. I have sunflowers. It's either ginger or turmeric, beauty berries, lemon tree, blackberries, more black beans. A lot of these black beans are from last year, the Puerto Rican black beans. The only ones I planted, it was 2 here and 2 there. All these other black beans are from last year, and had I known this was going to happen, I wouldn't have even bothered planting them. But I got this new trellis. This is one trellis for the black beans, and then if you go over here, that's another trellis for black beans. But what I wanted to show you, this here is my moringa that, of course, the winter came and took it out. So I thought, my cherry tree, she's coming back. I don't know when I'll get cherries again. The chickens miss the cherries. They love the cherries. But anyways, I wanted to show you this moringa tree. So all the moringa trees took a hit. I put up this trellis for the black beans. I figured I'll just leave this moringa here, use it as support for my trellis, which is already crooked. And then one day I was checking on my black beans, and oh my goodness, look what we have here. Look it, not 1, not 2, but 3. I don't know if you see it down there. Let me get down here. Right there. 3 moringa trees. I lost 3 trees, and Mother Nature gave me 3 back. Although they're all in one spot, so I'm not sure how this is going to go. I'm going to leave it alone, let nature do its thing. I'm going to let this tree kind of take over this. I don't know. Listen, this is going to be an issue, because if you've watched any of my previous videos from last summer, and these Puerto Rican black beans tried to take over my entire garden. So I don't know how this is going to work out. I was not expecting this moringa to just out of the blue come back to life. So I don't know how this is going to work with a moringa tree here, and because these Puerto Rican black beans are going to go crazy. And my goal is to grow enough black beans to feed my family for an entire year. And I have black beans. Look at these. I did not plant all these. They're popping up everywhere. That is mostly sweet potato, but there are some black beans in there. Black beans all there. I did not plant these. So we are headed for a very interesting summer in the mini food forest again. I got a new lemon tree, I believe that one is. And my pomegranate right there is it's looking better than it did before. And my kumquat, I thought I lost it. It came back. Mulberry, of course, you really can't kill those here in Florida. And then the olive tree is doing great. The other mulberry. Now my bananas. Mother Nature took out, I thought killed all my bananas. She did not. For the ones that died here, she replaced them with new pups and then doubled it. I have so many banana pups, and there's one of the other moringa trees that died. So yeah, I will keep you posted and see how this little relationship goes between the Puerto Rican black beans and the new moringa. And there's 3, and I'm gonna just let it happen because I have several new moringas I've sprouted and I have planted around to replace the ones I lost and then some. So I have plenty more moringa now. None of the other ones came back, just this one. I don't know. And again, I have this big, lush, beautiful tree that I bought and planted and lost the tag and don't know what it is. So far, nobody has been able to tell me what this is. It had little berries and little buds, flowers, and then these little like green berry balls, but then nothing happened. So I don't know. I trimmed the top of it right there because it was getting so tall. It will provide some nice shade in the heat of the summer for the garden, so I'll leave it. I bought it. I just don't remember what it is. There's our little garden kitty. She's, yeah. That's a sunflower. And then more black beans and I can't tell. Black beans, as you can see, the sunflowers and the black beans look similar. And back there in the chicken world, I started a second banana circle away from the front to see if it better protects it. So yeah, follow along if you want to see what happens between the moringa and the black beans. So go grow something, anything, and just keep growing something until you can eat it. Especially this day and age, I'm telling you. See ya.